7 signs you are a highly attractive man. Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook channel. Before we begin, thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. Today's topic is not about looks alone. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagiging pogi sa salamin. This is about deep attraction, the kind that people feel, not just see. Because real attraction is energy, presence, and character. Maraming lalaki ang gwapo pero kakaunti ang tunay na attractive. So let me ask you these questions as we begin. Have you ever noticed people respecting you, listening to you, or feeling comfortable around you? Even when you're quiet, if yes, you might be more attractive than you think. Stay until the end because the last sign is the one most men overlook, and it's the most powerful. Sign number 1. You are comfortable with silence. Highly attractive men don't rush to feel silence. Hindi ka kinakabahan kapag tahimik. You don't talk just to impress. You speak when you have something meaningful to say. Silence shows emotional control, confidence, self-awareness. Ang lalaking komportable sa katahimikan ay lalaking hindi insecure. People feel safe around because you're not desperate for attention. Remember this, a man who controls silence controls the room. Sign number 2. You don't seek validation. You set standards. Highly attractive men don't beg to be liked. You don't chase approval. You don't change yourself just to fit in. Instead, you have standards in relationships, friendships, and life. Hindi ka madaling ma-impress at hindi ka madaling ma-manipulate. This creates attraction because people respect what they can't easily control. Confidence is magnetic. Standards signal self-worth. Attraction grows when people feel this man knows who he is. Sign number 3. You listen more than you speak. Most men want to be heard. Highly attractive men want to understand. You listen without interrupting. You observe body language. You remember small details people forget they told you. Sa panahon ng maingay na mundo, ang marunong makinig ay bihira. Listening creates emotional connection, trust, respect. People leave conversations with you feeling seen, not judged. And that is powerful attraction. Number 4. You are emotionally stable under pressure. Life tests everyone, but attractive men don't explode under stress. Hindi ka madaling magalit. Hindi ka pabiktim. Hindi ka dramatic. You stay calm when others panic. You think clearly when others react emotionally. These signals inner strength, leadership, reliability. Women admire it. Men respect it. Everyone feels safe around you. Calm is dominance without noise. Sign number 5. You don't need to prove you're a man. Highly attractive men don't announce their masculinity. You don't brag. You don't threaten. You don't seek fights to feel strong. Your actions speak quietly. Ang tunay na lalaki ay hindi kailangang patunayan ang sarili niya. Ramdam na iyon. Strength that doesn't need validation is rare, and rarity creates attraction. Signs number 6. You respect others without lowering yourself. You're kind, but not weak. Respectful, but not submissive. You treat everyone with dignity regardless of status. Pero hindi mo hinahayaan na bastusin ka. This balance is very attractive. Why? Because it shows self-respect, emotional intelligence, moral strength. People feel your presence without fear, but with admiration. Sign number 7. Most powerful. You are focused on your purpose. This is the one most men miss. Highly attractive men are busy building their life. You're focused on growth, discipline, vision. Hindi ka nakapokus sa drama. Hindi ka nakadepende sa atensyon ng iba. Your life has direction. And nothing is more attractive than a man who knows where he's going, because purpose creates confidence, stability, long-term attraction. A man with purpose is a man people want to follow, not to fix. If you saw yourself in even one of these signs, then yes, you are already attractive. But remember, attraction is not about perfection. It's about progress. Kung may natutunan ka today, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs this reminder. And I want to hear from you. Which sign hit you the hardest? And why? Comment below. I read your comments and your story matters here. If this video gave you value, please like, follow, subscribe, share this video on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Thank you for your time, your respect, and your presence. Stay strong, stay calm, stay focused. See you in the next video.